You know I don't talk about UDA normally. Because in this place, UDA is relevant. Hapa Nyatike, hapa Migori, UDA is relevant. Those few fellas, wakina Nyanga, kina who are running around here. There's a former MCA here.
Honorable Opiyo Wandayi, we love you so much, but please concentrate on issues of Siaya. Nyatike is already alienated. This is UDA zone and there's nothing you can do about it. And Mheshimiwa Opiyo Wandayi, I'm telling you kindly, when you come to a funeral, don't mention my name.
Yes, tell it.
Tuheshimiane tafadhali. I respect you so much. Don't walk with my name everywhere. We are neighbors, we respect each other. But don't talk about my name. Talk about the issues that bring development. Talk about the issues that are going to develop the people of Nyanza. Please, let us respect each other and see how Baba can help us, how our President Ruto can help us, so that the entire Nyanza can benefit. Kindly, tushikane mikono, tusaidie President wetu Ruto ambaye Mungu ndiye ametupatia, lakini tusitajane majina, sababu sisi wote tunajuana na tunasupport Kenya yetu mzima na tunasupport serikali yetu mzima na tunataka ubora kwa Wakenya wote, lakini tusitajane majina. Respect women, respect Jackie Paul. As a former MCA, I should have been working right now, but you know the reasons why I'm not working right now. My husband was almost killed. 12 knives. 12 knives if your husband was knifed. 12 knives. Because nominations went bad. And ODM had their own people. The people wanted Jackie Paul. But I could not be selected because they wanted their own people. I almost lost my husband. But because of God, I'm still here. The people of UDA recognize me. Opiyo Wandayi.
Yes.
Kindly, Opiyo Wandayi, this is the same thing you did in 2017.
Yes.
When you did not even clean your own house, knowing we had issues. We went ahead, but there were so many issues. That is why some of us, like you say, I'm your own, have left. Kindly, don't do it this time round. We need to sit down as people so that we can unite at this time round and support what we want for the people of Nyanza. We want to be in the forefront of the government. We want to be in the system as the people of Nyanza. We want development, not by hard faults, but we want to be in the government as people recognized in the entire Kenya. So Opiyo Wandayi, kindly don't mention my name. Don't mention anybody's name. Clean your backyard yet. Clean everybody's yard yet so that we can go forward. We are supporting each other and we respect Baba. We respect Baba. We love Baba. But you people leading Baba, kindly lead Baba the right way. But before you talk about our issues in Nyatike and our UDA issues in Nyatike, because Nyatike now is 100% alienated, we are all UDA. But before you speak about Nyatike UDA, kindly go to your own home. Whereby we have almost 70% people who have registered UDA. We have coordinators, we have their leaders in each and every ward. Kindly clean your house first before you come to our own. Yes, because ours, we are led by Honorable Anyanga, we are behind Ruto, we don't want any issues with anybody, we are just doing our own job.